Happy birthday, America. It's July 4th weekend. I have 4 days off from work. Let's have some fun. We are starting our day at Starbucks with the new Summer Skies refresher drink. This has coconut milk in it with 2 scoops of raspberry flavored boba balls. And I'm a sucker for these boba balls. Disney got me addicted to these, so let's try it out. That's very tropical and refreshing. Really good. It is July 4th and we live in the oldest city in America, so I wanted to take a drive through downtown and see how busy it is this morning. The historic downtown parking. How much is it for today? $20 flat rate. Okay, and then there is a trolley stop at this parking garage as well that you can get picked up at to bring you downtown, so you don't have to walk all the way downtown. People already have their lawn chairs set up along the waterfront for the fireworks tonight. It's around 10:35 a.m., so long day of waiting for the fireworks and partying in the oldest city in America. What better way to spend it? We're going to take a drive over the Bridge of Lions, back onto our island, Anastasia Island, drive over to the beach and see how crowded it is over there. I hope y'all enjoyed that little drive around St. Augustine, checking out all the July 4th decor. It is lunchtime, and what would July 4th be without some hot dogs and hamburgers? We've got the baked beans on the stove going. We've got our weenies. We've got the Johnson cheddar brats. And then we've got lettuce, onion, tomato cut up for the burgers. Got some bacon in the oven frying. Here is a look at my very messy bacon cheeseburger. I did add onions onto it. I did find out recently that I loved cooked onions. So I did make some corn on the cob, cut that off, and add a little lime, salt, and pepper. The hot dogs were delicious. I actually didn't make chili today, but probably tomorrow. Made some French fries. So this was a whole smorgasbord for lunch. Got the red, white, and blue cupcakes from Publix. We're about to head and get some fireworks. I'm so excited. We are here at Extreme Fireworks in St. Augustine. They are open year round and it's our first time in here. So let's check it out. Canister shells, are those the ones that shoot up in the air? Yeah. Okay.
Like these.
Hey, most of it's like the colors. 44 shots. Light chasers. America first. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's really cool. Yeah, our neighbors would not be happy about that.
That'd be awesome.
How big gorilla? 5. I was gonna say, exhibit on it shows $49.99. And then the Futurama artillery.
Artillery.
What does it do?
It showers.
Well, that's fun. I think we should get that for sure. We had one like this, didn't we? The color cascade. Yeah.
These are the easiest ones because you don't have to keep refilling them. But
The Raging Willow. Oh yeah, that one's cool. Whiskey Business. Salute to Summer. That one's cool. 30 shots.
it shows a lot of what
$34.99. Doom. Oh, that's really cool. But how many shots? So like 15, 16 shots.
Oh, I was like, it's not sold out. It's like, oh,
Yeah, it's called Coconut Bomb US Power. They're all $21.99, $19.99. Not bad. Oh yeah, we need some sparklers.
these are
Bottle rockets. These are $6.99 though. 7 shots. This one has 96. Look, 96 shots. Color Pearl Flower. $4.99 and $2.99. These are showers. They just shower out the top. Blue Moon, Bright Star. $24.99. Liberty Fountain, that's cool. And then here's some of the smaller ones. Boom, little ones. Just like a kit.
It's all little stuff.
That's fun. A little backpack. Got the dinosaur. $19.99. Hoot hoot hooray. Oh, look, a hover hopper.
These are all the ones that.
Well, that's fun.
It starts.
Do you want to? Oh yeah, because we got a Millennium Falcon one year.
That's great.
Yeah, right? Pretty cool. At the checkout counters where all the big boys are, they've got these big boy packs over here with multiple different types of fireworks inside. Wow, these are huge. Great if you don't know what you want though. Just come in here and get like a multi-pack. Have a fun Independence Day. Got a gorgeous sunset out here, waiting on it to get a little bit darker for us to do the fireworks, but gorgeous 4th of July sunset. I want to do a sparkler. We got this multi-pack of sparklers and there's red, gold, green. Didn't realize until when we got home that this thing was $23.99. This little one was $3.99, I think. It's called Hello Summer. So here's a few of the ones we've got. This one's called Sweets. We've got an American one, a snow cone. This one's supposed to shoot orange sparkles. Go Tigers. Fire Lollipop. This is kind of like a sparkler, but shoots 3 colors. Just a little fireworks haul. Okay, we're going to shoot the Hello Summer. So be warned, fireworks time. to my anxiety a little bit. I think we're going to watch some fireworks on HBO Max that we found and enjoy some American flag Hershey Kisses. It is the next day. Hope y'all enjoyed the fireworks. We're making some chicken sandwiches, some fried chicken sandwiches. We got the Hooters wing sauce. I'm addicted to this breading. So you basically bread the chicken and then you dip it in the sauce after you fry it. It is so good. You see I've used almost all of it. But you hear that sizzle? I realized I didn't show y'all when we made the burgers. So enjoy this sizzle. Just saucing up the chicken now with the Hooters sauce, like a saucy chicken wing. And here is our fried chicken, well, fried buffalo chicken sandwich. Added some lettuce, ranch, provolone cheese, and some chips on the side. We're going to watch a couple movies and then do some more fireworks tonight. Fantastic weather so far for the holiday weekend. It feels amazing out here. Neems, you smell all that food? You smell all the cookout food? Neems.
I smell lizard.
Neems, what do you smell? The cookout food? No, you can't have any beer. You can't. You're not old enough. Well, technically you are. Technically you're too old. We've got our little tiki torches and fire bowl lit with our red, white, and blue little lanterns. Hear the fireball crackling? This gel insert crackles like wood. It's really cool. Do you like the ambiance? Oh, you came out. Perfect timing. We've got the USA McUltra cans. McUltra. I'm your girl. Let's talk. Let's work together. Come on. We've got our beers. Let's shoot some fireworks. Words spoken by every Southerner in America. We're starting tonight with the Fire Lollipop. This is a sparkler, should shoot 3 different colors. So let's see. Okay, this is the one called Sweets. Snow cone should be orange sparks. See, that's what I thought the other one. And now for a Saturday of relaxation. I bought this sun tanning pool on Amazon and I love it. Got our little setup out here with the patio. So gonna just suntan and enjoy this sunny Florida day. Let's add some water to this pool and enjoy a beautiful day. Y'all, it is 100 degrees right now. Been laying out in the sun for a few hours. Gonna head to Starbucks and get something refreshing because it is hot. Like, stick your head inside of an oven hot. And it's just the beginning of July, y'all. It's just the beginning of July. This is the Summer Berry Lemonade Refresher. They asked if I wanted water or lemonade. I got lemonade. It also has 2 scoops of the raspberry boba inside. It is so refreshing on a hot day like today. That lemonade and raspberry mix so well. This is my favorite of the 2. I showed the other one on Thursday, July 4th. We woke up and went and got the Summer Skies drink that had the coconut milk. But this one is my favorite, which I am a lemonade girl. And like I said, it is hot today, y'all. Hot. I didn't film too much today. We're doing a little movie marathon. So far this weekend, we watched Independence Day, Forrest Gump, Sandlot, and now we're watching Jaws. Because not only is it a perfect July 4th weekend movie to watch, Shark Week starts tomorrow. So it's the beginning of Shark Week. So we're going to be doing a Shark Week giveaway. Our last shark giveaway was so much fun. So I found some little goodies. So let's do a giveaway.
Our first giveaway item is the Tommy Bahama Kids Shark Tube. It has sharks all around it. Little inner tube fun for summer. And then I found this cute shark water gun at a little dollar store nearby. So you can shoot some water out of the shark's mouth. Should be fun. Super cute. I love it. And I found these cute shark gummy trees. It says that they are blue raspberry flavored. So just so you know, they're fun shark shaped and blue raspberry. And lastly, I found this adorable yet deadly shark hand puppet. I got this at Five Below. This looks awesome. Shark Week giveaway.
Thank you all for coming along with us on this July 4th Independence Day fun holiday. Please subscribe and like if you like this video. Stay vivacious, viewers, and we'll see y'all in our next video.